Good morning, class. I hope you are safe at your homes. Students, first of all, let me congratulate you for the best result in your PA2 exams. Very good. Everybody has done very well. So, we shall go further now. Yes. So we are going to cover our grammar topic, doing words. So everybody please open your grammar books at page number 37. Lesson number 7, doing words. So before we start our topic, let me make you clear what are doing words. Doing मतलब कुछ करना. ठीक है, कुछ करना. तो जो भी हम करते हैं, वट एवर वी डू, दैट इज डूइंग वर्ड्स. ठीक है, जैसे हम अभी मैं बोल रही हूं, आई एम स्पीकिंग नाउ, तो स्पीक इज द डूइंग वर्ड. यस, ठीक है, आप सुन रहे हैं, सो यू आर लिसनिंग, तो लिसन इज द अनदर डूइंग वर्ड. ओके, सो आई एम टीचिंग यू. यस, तो teach is one more doing word. And you are learning. तो learning, learn क्या है? एक और doing word है. इसी तरह से जो भी action हम करते हैं, जो भी हम काम करते हैं, those are called doing words, action words. ठीक है, इनको हम verbs भी कहते हैं. They are also called verbs. Okay, so we can find few words for this, like yes, write, read, sleep, talk, shout. Sometimes you jump. Very good. And then yes, there are so many words which we can say that these are doing words. कुछ भी action हम करते हैं, that is called doing word, action word. Okay, so we have few examples here in the book, so we shall go to the book first and then you will better understand. Okay, so first picture you can see, as it is written here, a dog barks. अब dog क्या कर रहा है? Bark. So bark is another doing word. Yes. Next is a boy smiles. Smile is also a doing word. The stars shine. Now you can tell me, what is a doing word here? Very good. Shine. ठीक है. Then the birds fly. इसमें क्या है doing? Fly. Yes. Arey, you all have understood very soon. So, the words that tell us what the naming words do are called doing words. Means, जो words हमें ये बताते हैं कि naming words क्या कर रहे हैं, they are called doing words. क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी एक्शन जो हो रहा है नेमिंग वर्ड्स के द्वारा, they are doing words. Okay, they are also called verbs or action words. मैंने आपको बताया पहले भी कि इनको हम verbs भी कहते हैं and और क्या कहते हैं, action words. Okay, clear? So now I think we can do exercise. Now exercise time. So exercise A. What does it say? Underline the doing words in the given sentences. First one is, my mother sleeps at 10 o'clock. अब जल्दी से find out what is the action. Yes, sleeps. So underline the word sleeps. Same way, an eagle flies in the sky. अब यहाँ पर एक्शन क्या हो रहा है? Yes, flies. Okay, so you can do it. We should go to the next page. Exercise B. Now, fill in the blanks with doing words. Choose them from the strip. Ab in the strip we are given few words, few doing words, and those words will be chosen by us, and we have to fill these words in these blanks to complete the sentences. As first one has been done for you. Rita reads a book. ठीक है, very easy. You can do it yourself now. The next one we can try one more. The cat dash milk. अब आप पिक्चर में देखो क्या कर रही है कैट. Yes, drinks. So we have the word here drinks. We can write over here. Okay. So चलें अब नेक्स्ट करें. Exercise C. Read the naming words. Circle the actions they cannot do. अब यहाँ पर हमें कुछ नेमिंग वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं एंड वी हैव टू सी कि वो कौन सा एक्शन इनमें से नहीं कर सकते. ये एक्शंस हैं एंड दीज आर द नेमिंग वर्ड्स. अब हमने देखना है कि ये जो नेमिंग वर्ड्स यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं विच एक्शन दे कैन नॉट डू. ओके, लाइक फर्स्ट बेबीज. अब बेबीज क्या नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, कैन दे क्राई. यस दे कैन. कैन दे क्रॉल. यस दे कैन. कैन दे फ्लाई. नो. सो वी हैव टू सर्कल दिस फ्लाई. ओके, कैन दे लाफ. यस दे कैन लाफ. So in this way you have to complete this exercise C. Okay, now come to the next page and next exercise. Exercise D. Given below are some things Gerald's family does for him. अब यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं और कुछ चीज़ें बताई गई हैं जो जेरल की फैमिली उसके लिए करती है. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. हमें ये पिक्चर्स देखनी है एंड वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, फादर इज मेकिंग फूड, कुकिंग फूड. सो माई फादर डैश फॉर मी. खाना बनाने को yes cook. So he cooks for me. My father cooks for me. Okay, my brother dash with me. क्या कर रहा है ब्रदर. खेल रहा है. तो खेलने को क्या बोलते हैं. play. So we will write here my brother plays with me. Okay, so in this way you have to finish this exercise and then we will go to the another part of this doing words with ing. अब हमने जो doing words हैं उनके साथ ing लगाना है. For example, what is the boy doing. क्या कर रहा है ये boy. Riding a cycle. So he is riding a bicycle. Okay, ride was the action word and with ing we have made it riding. Okay, is riding. Next one, what is the girl doing. She is eating food. Eat is an action word and we have used here ing with action word. ठीक है, so it has it is eating food. Okay, so in this way we have to follow few rules before we have to sorry, we have to use ing with it. Okay, so first rule is when we add ing to doing words, we follow these rules. What are these rules? We add ing to some doing words without making any changes. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ हम ing लगाते हैं but without any change. Okay, few words are there which will not be changed when we are using ing. For example, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. And we have used here, simply we have used here ing with it. Same way, read. Simply we have used here ing. Okay. Next rule is with some doing words that end in E. We drop the E before adding ing. तो हमने नेक्स्ट रूल में ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो वर्ड्स ई के साथ ख़त्म हो रहे हैं उनमें से हमने ing जब लगाना है तो ई को हमने ड्रॉप कर देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल GIVE. सो इन लास्ट वी हैव ई हेयर. तो जब हमने ing यूज़ करना है तो हमने ई को हटा देना है एंड वी विल यूज़ ing here. Okay, next example we can see here, hide. HIDE. So while using ing we have dropped e here and we have used added here ing. Okay, then the third rule is we add ing to some doing words after doubling the last letter of the word. Means कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जो लास्ट वर्ड है उसको हम डबल कर देते हैं व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ing विद देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कट. तो CUT कट. तो T जो है लास्ट वर्ड है एंड वी विल डबल इट नाउ. तो एज यू कैन सी हियर CUTTING, कटिंग. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर, स्विम. तो हियर last letter is M, so we have doubled it, double M ing, swimming. ठीक है. So now we are using these ing words with our action words and we are using them in the sentences given here. So exercise E, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Choose the words from the strip. In the strip we are given few words with ing and we have to use these words here. So as we can see, 2 children are dash books, and now you can see in the first picture what are they doing? They are reading the book. Yes, so we can use here this reading word here. 2 children are reading books. Very easy, है ना? You can do it. So we will go to exercise F. Look at the pictures and tick the correct sentences. अब हमने इन पिक्चर्स को देखना है और इसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमने इनको जो भी सेंटेंस ठीक है उसको हमने टिक करना है. हेयर आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू कि अगर आपको सिर्फ टिक करने के लिए बोला गया है तो आप सिर्फ टिक करेंगे. समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स दैट यू पीपल टिक द सेंटेंस विच इज़ करेक्ट एंड यू क्रॉस द सेंटेंस विच इज़ द अनदर वन. बच्चे प्लीज़ बी स्ट्रिक्ट विद द गाइडलाइन गिवन हियर. जो भी आपको करने के लिए कहा जाता है सिर्फ उतना ही करना है. ओके, अब यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको टिक करने के लिए कहा गया है तो यू विल ओनली टिक हेयर, नीड नॉट टू क्रॉस द अनदर वन. सो लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज. This Neha is riding, so we will tick the sentence, second sentence, this is correct one, so we will correct this. Same way you can do, but need not to cross, just only tick. Okay. So let's go to the next exercise. Exercise G. Put a tick for a good action and cross for a bad action. अब here you have to tick and cross. आपको दोनों चीज़ें करनी है, टिक भी करनी है और क्रॉस भी करना है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज पिंचिंग योर फ्रेंड. पिंचिंग होता है चिकोटी काटना. ठीक है. तो क्या आप अपनी फ्रेंड को चिकोटी काटते हो? डू यू पिंच योर फ्रेंड? इफ यस, तो देन यू हैव टू टेल मी, इज इट अ गुड एक्शन, इज इट एन गुड एक्शन और बैड? इज इट अ गुड एक्शन or bad? Yes, this is bad action. So we have to cross this. Okay. Next is sharing chocolates with someone. Sharing is good thing. Yes. So we have to tick for the good action. Okay. So next page. We will go to the next page now, and next page rest of the exercise is given here. We have to complete this exercise. Then last exercise is find and circle the following action words in the grid. Ab these words in the strip which are written here, these you can find in this grid. So all you have to do is you have to read in this way and this way, horizontally and vertically, and you will find these words in the grid. As you can see here, the first one is swing. So you can see here SWING, swing. So you have to circle this much only. Okay, this is very interesting game. Okay, I used to play when I was young. So you will enjoy it definitely and try this. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.